Objects.com. Okay, just get through the video. Hey, good. Why are we a drawing? Why are we a drawing? Why are we a drawing? Because you're stupid. Stupid, stop it. From like an ALS. I was just asking. No. Wait, we forgot to do the real intro first. Do we have to? You know, whatever. This is not a song anymore. I will never sing this again in my life. Dun dun dun. That was amazing. I don't know, it wasn't. Okay, we just got 0 votes. Just kidding, we got 1 vote. Ooh, which goes to Planky. By the way, we got 1 vote. This shouldn't take that fast. I'm not crying. Another thing from AOS. So, how is that going to do anything to eliminate me? Ow, 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 ow. Challenge not 3, but it's been like 2 seconds of a video. Actually, it's been 2 minutes. So, he didn't die. We got our old voting system back, but it didn't work. So we're not going to do it. So just randomly vote. Because, see, these are not the only 3 you can vote for. You can vote for anyone that got eliminated. Anyways, I guess, wait, what was I gonna say again? I guess we're just gonna have to randomly vote. Even though I already said that. I am good. I am bad. Everything is bad. Like, I feel complete now. Hey, you talking to someone else? You're not gonna be in alliance anymore, bullshit! Everyone vote for Bushy! If he's up for elimination in the next episode! Yeah! No, don't really. Hey, say you saying don't at the bottom of the screen! LOL! No, I just randomly vote. I don't care. Just put